Good morning, guys. So this is Mayuk from C Simplify IT, Gurgaon, and today I'm discussing about the Ionic framework, which is the latest framework with run with the help of AngularJS. Right now, I'm just it has been open as a homepage of ionicframework.com, and today I will discuss about how to install Ionic in your system. So initially, while installing setup of the Ionic, we have to just download the node.js file because it is the basic requirement for running the Ionic in your system. So for that, we have to open the node.js .org, nodejs.org website. That is the node.js website, home website, and there you will see that download for the Windows and whatever the OS you have, you can just download from here. And once you downloaded it file, it automatically downloaded in this particular section. And through that you have to run this particular file. As I have run this file, so it is been predefined in my system. So after installing this particular node.js, you have to just open the documentation site of Ionic framework, and after that just go for the setup and tutorial. And in this tutorial you will see that one code is there, that is npm install -g Ionic Cordova. This you have to just run in your command prompt. Likewise, if I open the command prompt of my system, and here if I just copy this particular section in my command prompt, and if I run it, it automatically install in my system. So it might take 10 to 15 minutes to install in your system. And once it is installed in your system, I'm just cutting out the command prompt because it's already installed in my system. I'm just showing where it is been downloaded automatically. Once you will go and put this particular codes in your CMD. So it will come as in the C drive. It will come as in the users, then hello. Then you will see one folder is app data. Once you will open it, there is a roaming folder, and inside it there is one npm folder. In this particular section there is node module, and here you will see that both the files Cordova and Ionic has been downloaded. And once this particular file is downloaded, it's totally installed, and you can see in your system while running in your CMD. If I write Ionic, you will see here in the command prompt. You will see here in the command prompt that Ionic has been installed. Right after that, if I talk about the project, so for writing or for starting of the project, you have to download the file of Ionic, and for that file, or you can say that package, and for that this is the code for the starting of your project. Like my project name is cute puppy pics. Start is the command for the starting of your project, and v2 simplifies v2 signifies that it is of version 2, Ionic version 2. If you don't want to download the Ionic version 2, you can just format it this particular section, and you can just run out the command in your command prompt. Like if I just run this particular command in my command prompt, see, for the particular Ionic, it is it is showing that yes, Ionic has been totally installed in your system. If this particular command is coming in your command prompt, it signifies that yes, you are into the Ionic, right? So if I just open once more a command prompt and just put out this particular section of my project, that is Ionic. Ionic is the keyword. Start is the keyword for starting of your project. Cute puppy pics is your project name, and version 2 is the version 2 of Ionic. If I just put out the enter, it might take some minutes, and the total package of this particular version 2 is being installed in your system. Once it will be installed, I'm just showing where it will be installed and how you have to work for it. It's downloading the file. You're seeing that fetching metadata and all. So see, here is the file section where the files are downloaded. Use C drive users, then hello, and then qt puppy pics is the file name. You will see here in the user section, C drive and user section. Then hello, you will see that, see, here is the folder which is still downloading from the command prompt. See, files are downloading here. We have to wait for some minute because still it is downloading the files. Yeah, once it will be downloaded, we can see that in the source section there are some files like index.html. In the page folder there are some files. In the home section there are some files. You will see that each and every page having a different folders, and if within that particular folder, suppose I talk about home. So home, in the home folder there is three files. One is home.html, one is home.scss, and one is home.ts file. So these all particular files work for home section, that is the home page section. Once it will be installed, I will just show you how it works. See, now it's totally downloaded in your system.